My name is Christopher Thomas. For my species report, I chose the tiger salamander. The tiger salamander is very widespread across North America, and he's for the wetlands. That's why I chose him from the list. Tiger salamander is a very interesting species and has many roles that it plays. They help to mitigate like pests like mosquitoes and flies, because that's one of their main food sources is small insects. This abundance population of them across North America allows other larger animals to be able to eat them, which they provide a steady food source for things like bobcats, birds, snakes. They're also quite colorful. They range from like a yellowish to greenish color, and then in their spots that they have, and then they have black all throughout them. So it's like a black lizard with yellow and black little spots all scattered throughout. They have a very cool defense mechanism against their predators, where they kind of like flail up their tail, and with this they can put like a sticky poison substance, which can enabling it to kill off some predators if they're smaller. They usually grow about 6 to 8 inches, and they have a lifespan of 12 to 15 years on average. They have these spots scattered all across their body from it could be on their head, back, and tail. Like I said before, geographic range. They do stretch across entire North America, from Mexico, the Central America, all the way to like Florida and even Illinois. And quick fun fact about them: Illinois wanted that to be their like state animal at one point. As said prior, the tiger salamander is important in keeping the insect level low, and if they were to, let's say, right now they're at a steady population, they're not nearly in any threatening number, but if they were to be, we could see like a spike in insects across the whole country, so that would be quite annoying. So in the food chain, this species is not too large, obviously, but they do eat small bugs, snails, slugs, frogs, worms, and then if there's not enough food source around, they'll actually eat other reptiles and possibly their own kind. So, but mostly in the United States, their threats are, like as said before, bobcats, snakes, birds, badgers, even things of that nature. To reproduce, it's very interesting. The male nudges the female to enable the idea that they're gonna mate, and then the male produces this like spermatophore at the bottom of a lake, and then when the female has its eggs like fertilized, it will lay them all in the bottom of the lake, about 25 to 30 per session. Another interesting fact is I mentioned that they are widespread, but they are the widest ranging salamander in North America, so that's like even more specific. And that is it. Thank you very much.